Transform your home into a place of comfort and beauty with Snooze Factory curtain rods. Imagine adding a touch of elegance and style to every room, making it a space you love to come home to. Our curtain rods are more than just window hardware, they're the perfect finishing touch. From luxurious rose gold to classic antique brass, each piece is carefully crafted from durable materials like stainless steel and iron, combining strength with stunning style. At Snooze Factory, we make it easy to elevate your home. Every curtain rod set comes with all the essentials: finials, brackets, screws, and anchors, so you can install them in minutes and enjoy the transformation right away. Whether you're refreshing your living room, adding charm to your bedroom, or creating a beautiful outdoor space, our extendable rods fit any window and any style. Imagine walking into your dream home, where every detail reflects your taste and personality. And no matter how heavy your curtains are, our rods can handle it with ease. With a solid 1-inch diameter, you can trust Snooze Factory for long-lasting quality that holds up beautifully over time. Right now, we're offering an exclusive 60% off plus free shipping on all orders. Imagine upgrading your entire home with these beautiful, durable curtain rods, all at an incredible price. This is your moment to create the home you've always dreamed of. Visit curtainrod.in today, and discover how easy it is to make every room feel more like you. Follow us for inspiration and updates. Snooze Factory is here to help you design your perfect space.